What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the Diamond Kinetics pitching series. In today's video, we are going to be covering vertical and horizontal break. This metric is defined as the amount each pitch moves based on its spin direction, spin efficiency, and spin rate. It's measured in inches. Pretty much what we're saying here is that this metric describes exactly how each pitch moves due to the effect that you put on the baseball. It's important to note this, because that means we are not taking gravity into the equation here. That's why you'll see vertical break numbers that make it seem like a pitch is rising when it's really not. To better understand this, let's take a look at where you can find it in the DK Pitch Tracker app. Near the bottom of the screen, you can find vertical break and horizontal break here and here. The numbers indicate how much each pitch moved, and the arrows tell you the direction of that movement. For our fastball here, you can see that our vertical break was positive, or up, and we had a good amount of arm side horizontal movement as well. But if we change the pitch and look at a curveball, you'll notice that this pitch typically breaks downwards into the pitcher's glove side. The arrows now reflect this change with their direction spinning down and to the left for this right-handed pitcher. As you'll notice here, the direction of our break numbers will typically match the way our animated spinning arrow is moving. Taking that a step further, with good spin efficiency, the higher your spin rate is, the larger your movement numbers will be as well. Keep those things in mind as you work on your pitches. To wrap things up, let's cover what the average pitch movement looks like for both lefties and righties for our 4 most commonly thrown pitches. Starting with lefties, typically you'll see movement on fastballs up and to the left. Then for changeups, you'll see a little less vertical movement and more arm side run. For curveballs, we will see more downwards break and less horizontal towards the glove side. And for sliders, we'll see a very small amount of vertical and an average amount of glove side break. Then for righties, you'll see all of the same trends just flipped. Vertical break is an incredibly useful pitch design tool that can be measured and tracked over time. Use it to your advantage, and I'll catch you in the next one.